We understand how disappointing this is for our fans. We want to win for our fans more than anything. We believe we have the best fan base in the NFL. We have been down far too long in terms of losing, and this is a hard challenge that we're faced with, to really rebuild this roster, find a quarterback that we can rely on as we move forward, and we don't shy away from that challenge at all. And so I'd say to the fans that brighter days are ahead. And we understand the task where we've got the right coach in place, we've got the right character of players coming into the building. We're positioned well for success as we move into the draft next year with 2 first rounds, 2 second-round picks. And we'll have a host of players that learn and to play with each other, and we'll be on this roster for a long time making our fans proud. There's not a lot of ownership groups that would embrace really undergoing something like this, and there are no shortcuts to the type of success and championship level success that we want to have here in Cleveland. There just aren't in this league. And I think we've seen a number of teams try to take those shortcuts, and it doesn't pan out. And I think when you look at how hard our players continue to play, their focus continued, that's a sign of progress. It really is. I think Hugh is a guy that we know can man the ship, lead us to a lot of victories. He's got a staff underneath him that we've got a lot of confidence in as well. And they've put, under very challenging circumstances, a competitive team out there on the field. We've just got to put a full, complete game together.
Yesterday we all had a chance